Travel the world with Brandon. Today we explore 5 large cities at or below sea level. These cities remain habitable due to ongoing engineering efforts, the use of pumping systems, and continual maintenance. With rising sea levels, the primary concern shifts from whether flooding will occur to determining the duration for which human infrastructure can effectively prevent water intrusion. Number 5. Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Sits at or just below sea level in many districts. Ho Chi Minh City lies on the Mekong Delta, one of the lowest and flattest regions in Southeast Asia. While much of the city is only slightly below sea level, seasonal flooding is common due to monsoon rains, tides, and river overflow. As sea levels rise, flooding is becoming more frequent and severe, especially in outer districts. Unlike Dutch cities, flood defenses here are still developing, making long-term resilience a major challenge. Number 4. Amsterdam, Netherlands, rests 2 meters below sea level. Amsterdam, built on reclaimed land, and supported by millions of wooden pilings driven deep into the ground. Like much of the Netherlands, the city exists thanks to centuries of water management. While not as low as Rotterdam, Amsterdam depends on canals, dikes, and pumps to survive. The city is often cited as a model for climate adaptation, proving that living below sea level is possible, with constant vigilance. Number 3. New Orleans, USA, is 1.5 to 3 meters below sea level. New Orleans sits in a natural bowl between the Mississippi River and Lake Pontchartrain. Over time, sediment loss and subsidence pushed large parts of the city below sea level. A vast system of levees and pumps keeps the city dry, but Hurricane Katrina in 2005 exposed how fragile that protection can be. Today, New Orleans relies on constant pumping, even on dry days, to prevent flooding. Number 2. Jakarta, Indonesia, sits 4 meters below sea level and is sinking fast. Jakarta is unique because it's not just low, it's actively sinking. Excessive groundwater pumping has caused parts of the city to sink rapidly, making flooding increasingly severe. Entire neighborhoods flood during storms and high tides, and seawalls struggle to keep up. The situation is so serious that Indonesia has begun relocating its national capital to another island. Jakarta is widely considered one of the world's most vulnerable megacities. Number 1. Rotterdam, Netherlands, rests as much as 6.7 meters below sea level. Rotterdam is the lowest major city in the world. Large sections of the city sit well below sea level, protected by one of the most advanced flood defense systems ever built. Massive storm surge barriers, dikes, and constantly running pumps keep the North Sea out. Despite the risk, Rotterdam is home to Europe's largest port, making it one of the most economically critical low-lying cities on Earth. Without continuous engineering, the city would flood within hours. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Thanks for watching, see you on the next adventure, and keep exploring.